today I'm gonna show you what's inside in my bag. Guess what? If you are having a kids, many people think this is in their bag. Okay, here you go. My bag is here. This is my bag. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Woo! Look. One cookie. It's cookies for snacks. Yeah, so that's inside of my bag.
Yeah.
What else? A water. A water. A water, of course. So mostly I put first in my bag. I have to put it in the ziploc so it doesn't go in my, my inside of the bag. So yeah, I should have put this water in my ziploc. Geez. And what else? Ziploc. My makeup. I put my makeup inside the ziploc so it doesn't make a mess inside my bag. So that's inside my bag. Water, cookies, and ziploc in the makeup. Oh, I have also, I think, let's see. The packet. What's in the packet? I have a rosary. Yeah, sometimes when I go to the church, I join a rosary, and I think this rosary give it to the people from the church, like the Immaculate of Mary. So yeah, I joined that in the church. So this is my bag. Inside my bag. What else? Inside my bag. Oh, I have Ricola. So I put Ricola in my bag so my husband sometimes use it, So yeah. Here's the inside of my bag. Not a lot though. I have this also mine since it's winter. So yeah, sometimes it's chilly. Here in California, the weather is very weird. Like winter in the morning, spring in the afternoon, winter at the late afternoon. So I always bring my shawl and my hat. So yeah, this inside in my bag. Thank you for watching. Bye.